Hi there, welcome once again. If you are not getting this brightness control panel, this video will help you. For this, just click on Windows search box and type settings. Click on settings. Under the settings, click on system. Under the system, just click on display option. Under the display option, you can see brightness control panel. If you don't see any brightness control panel, then try these two solutions. Just click on Windows search box and type device manager. Open the device manager and just click on display adapters. Select your display adapter and right click on it and choose disable device and click on yes. Right click once again on same display adapter and make it enabled. It is done, guys. If you are not getting any brightness control panel on your taskbar, try solution number 2. Click on display adapters and right click on Intel UHD graphics and update the driver and close. Then click on monitors and right click on integrated monitor and update the driver and close, guys. It is done. I hope this will help you. Thanks for watching.